Hello pawb, croeso nôl I Welshbloke Walking. Welcome back to Welshbloke Walking. Today I'm in the little village, the pentre bach of Henllan, which is only about 2 miles away from where I live in Dinbych. Now I'm here today to visit somewhere I've never visited before, even though it's so close. It's the ruin, a 400-year-old ruin, of a mansion basically in the middle of a field, and it's known as Foxhall Newydd. Now, although I've never visited, I've got a vague idea how to get there, so let's go and have a look. I'm starting the walk here, at Henllan's most prominent landmark, the 13th century church of Saint Sadwrn. And as it's such a nice day, we'll go on a short tour through the oldest part of the village. Some of the buildings here are centuries old. This is certainly true of the village pub, the Llindir Inn, which dates from the 13th century and is said to be haunted by the ghost of a woman called Sylvia, who was strangled to death by her sailor husband, who found her in the arms of another man. And in case you're wondering, the name Llindir is Welsh for hinterland. Ochr y Bryn, the side of the hill. And I'm told that if I continue to the top of this hill, I should come across a footpath that will take me to Foxhall Newydd. The road eventually becomes smaller and the houses less frequent. And before long, the promised footpath welcomes me. We now leave the village behind us and enter the surrounding countryside. The stile leads us on a short but pleasant walk through some lovely woodland, before opening out onto agricultural land. I think I can see something vaguely building-shaped through those trees. This needs a closer look. Ah yes, it looks like we found the old place. the place seems remarkably well guarded. Apart from an occasional wall, the place is also encircled by 2 barbed wire fences and an electric fence. And any possible access point is festooned with huge warnings like this. The owner's property seems to be immediately behind this huge ruin. Now, I did call there for permission to film, but they were either not at home or not answering my call. So unfortunately, this is the nearest I could go. However, there was a time in the past when access was available. So here are a few images from those days that I found online. Foxhall Newydd is a monument to the folly of pride and one-upmanship. Construction began in 1592 by John Panton in a deliberate effort to outshine his rich neighbours, especially Humphrey Lloyd of Old Foxhall. The completed building was originally meant to be at least 3 times bigger than this shell that remains. However, the plan was flawed. The money ran out and Panton was bankrupted. The building was never finished. So there you go, that was Foxhall Newydd. A bit disappointing not getting access to the actual building itself, but I hope you enjoyed the walk nevertheless. If you did, don't forget to drop me a thumbs up, share and comment, because it will all help keep this channel in existence. Well, diolch am wylio, thank you for watching. Byddwch yn ofalus, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you next time. Hwyl fawr i chi.